Hey, Swati here. Welcome back to Python, Zero to Expert. A red wall of error text is the scariest thing when you're starting out. So today, we make it your friend. You'll read any traceback and handle errors on purpose. Module 9. An error in Python is called an exception. And it comes with a traceback, a little map of what went wrong and where. Learn to read that map, and errors stop being walls. They become directions. 3 things. You'll read a traceback from the bottom up. You'll handle errors deliberately with try and except. And you'll clean up resources safely using with. Let's start with that scary red text. Here's the secret. Read it from the bottom. That last line, that's the actual error, a value error, because we tried to turn some text into a number and it wasn't 1. The lines above just show the path that got us there. Newest at the bottom. Bottom line first, always. Now, handle it. Wrap the risky bit in a try. If a value error happens, the except block catches it, and you respond calmly instead of crashing. Catch only the errors you actually know how to handle. Nothing more. And the resources, files, connections. The old way, you open it and must remember to close it. Forget. Or hit an error first and it leaks. The fix? All with block. It closes the file for you. Automatically, even if something goes wrong. Never manage that by hand again. Sarah here, real code, and you read it in one breath. Open the file safely with block. Load it. And if the file just isn't there, catch that and fall back to an empty dictionary. Safe, calm, no crash. That's confident error handling. And that's errors and exceptions. You can read any traceback, handle errors on purpose, and clean up with, honestly, that's a huge fear. Gone. Next time, iterators and generators and lazy evaluation. I'm Swati. This is Codecraft. See you there.